As things slowly return to normal, it's common to still be nervous about the pandemic. You're not alone, and CalHope wants to help. They offer free tips and tools to help manage COVID-19 stress. You can call their warm line at 1-833-317-4673 to talk with someone who can help, or visit calhope.org. Parents, I want to give you a heads up. Our next segment may not be suitable for children. Coastside Clinic is dedicated to providing breakthrough ED remedies to men in the greater Sacramento area. And today they're here to enlighten us about their True Pulse Protocol treatment. Medical technician Andrew Reinhardt joins us live. Good morning, Andrew.
Hello, good morning. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well.
Good, happy to hear it. And Andrew, can you tell us how common is this medical condition?
Well, ED or erectile dysfunction is so much more common than we think. The data says 50% of men over 50 will get ED. We think the number is a lot higher. We think there's a lot of men suffering in silence out there. So we'll never know the true number, but it's normal. If you're struggling with erectile dysfunction, if your man is struggling with ED, don't be embarrassed. You're normal. This can happen to so many.
And Andrew, why do you think this is so underreported?
Well, I think men are naturally a little bit embarrassed, and so they suffer in silence, like I mentioned. In fact, 70% of men with erectile dysfunction do not seek treatment. I think that's horrible because it's the relationship that suffers. Of course, the man knows, his significant other, his partner knows about it. And so men do nothing. ED gets worse until ultimately they can potentially be left with no love life at all.
And what do you think the drawbacks are to traditional treatment?
Well, in the early 90s, we were introduced to the pill. We all know about the pill for ED. Here are the drawbacks. It doesn't fix the actual problem. One of the leading causes of erectile dysfunction is damaged blood vessels and restricted blood flow. The pill can potentially work temporarily, but it comes with significant side effects like headaches, blurred vision, almost that hangover feeling the next day. So no man, from what we can tell, really wants to go through that process. We're going to talk about something breakthrough today that eliminates the pill, but we are seeing that the pill is a thing of the past. It's not a great solution, and it's a Band-Aid at a best case scenario.
Yeah, and I wanted to ask you, what is the treatment that you offer at Coastside Clinic?
Well, we believe this is a major medical breakthrough for erectile dysfunction. The technology is called wave therapy, and we use the most advanced version. It does exactly what you see on the screen. Pressure waves gently open up and regrow blood vessels. Those pressure waves are clinically proven to improve circulation. When we're talking about a healthier blood vessel, when we're talking about more circulation, that obviously is a great thing for life in the bedroom. We've helped so many couples get rid of the erectile dysfunction. And here's my favorite part. No pills, no injections, and no side effects.
And can you give us an estimated success rate for the treatment offered at Coastside Clinic?
We have 60 clinical studies that have addressed this. I would say 75 to 90% is what most of them say. We've experienced similar results in the clinic. This has a higher success rate than many medical treatments and technologies that are even in hospitals. So it's heavily vetted. We will have you screened by our medical provider before starting treatment to make sure that we maximize those results.
And Andrew, you have a special offer for our Your California Life viewers. Could you tell us about that?
We certainly do. If you are out there frustrated with erectile dysfunction, maybe you're the partner and your man is struggling. If you're ready to regain your love life, grab your phone, call that number on your screen right now before this segment ends. The exam, the assessment, even the ultrasound will be totally free. Plus a gift, you'll love this. It produces immediate results in the bedroom. This is $500. We're doing it free to those that call 916-603-2000 right now.
All right, got to make sure our viewers hop on that opportunity. Andrew, thank you so much for joining us this morning. And for more information, visit coastsideclinic.com.